Hello, welcome to Michelle Sews Again. I'm Michelle. Today I need your help. I really want to make something for my husband. I don't know why, I just feel like I should. He doesn't care. This is on me. But I have come up with 4 patterns that I'm interested in possibly making for him. And I would love for you guys to vote. So whichever one of these 4 gets the highest number of votes is the one that I'm gonna make. And it will probably be a Christmas present for him, but it'll get made here in the next couple of months. So if that sounds interesting to you, then stay tuned. Okay, so the first pattern that I have thought about is the Kingston denim jacket from Rebecca Page. Now this jacket it's a straightforward denim jacket. However, they do have an add-on packet that allows you to switch out the collar for a sweatshirt hoodie and the sleeves for sweatshirt sleeves. And I kind of think I like that casual version. My husband's not a denim jacket kind of a guy, but I think the denim jacket with the hoodie sleeves and the hoodie hood would be something he might be interested in. So I don't have any fabric for any of that yet, so I have nothing in my stash that would work, so I would need to buy some things. And I'm not really sure what. My husband's super into comics. He always has been. He's also a huge fan of the Ravens and of the Orioles. Both are Baltimore teams. So I was kind of thinking something along the lines of either a comic book kind of print or one of his teams. I don't know. What are your thoughts on that? So that is option number 1. Option number 2 is a men's toiletry bag. So if you've been following me and you saw my recap of our sewcation, not so much the recap as much as the fabric haul from the sewcation trip, you'll see that I had bought some leather from Tandy Leather. Gorgeous leather. I have this big, nice piece of crocodile embossed black leather. It's so scrumptious. And I was thinking that I could use that to make a men's toiletry bag for my husband. His new job, he's gonna be traveling a ton. He's gonna be out of town for like 3 weeks at a time and come home and go away again. So I was thinking a nice toiletry bag could be good for him. Also for him to, like, every time he sees it, he'll think of me. So I did find a tutorial on YouTube from Craftsy that I thought was it's a nice, simple toiletry bag. They make theirs in waxed canvas, but I don't see any reason why it couldn't be made out of this black leather. So let me know what your thoughts are on that one. The third thing that I was thinking of was PJ pants. Again, we can all use PJ pants. And I found a free pattern from Patterns for Pirates. And I was thinking, most of the PJ pants are very similar. And I was thinking just a pull-on pair of PJ pants, and I don't have any fabric for this yet either. I was thinking of making them in like a flannel, although that might be too hot for Florida. Although we do keep it very cold at night because we're hot sleepers. So yeah, maybe flannel would do. And again, I'm thinking of something to do with the Ravens or comic books or something like that. I know, not very original, but that's what's in my head. And then the 4th item that I was thinking of was just a hoodie pattern. He likes hoodies and he has a couple, so it's definitely something he would wear. And I found a pattern on Etsy from a company called Hers and Swelt that I thought was pretty interesting. It has these inset pieces in the side panels that just make it a little bit different than a typical hoodie. The pattern also comes with versions where you can zip it up, but I was thinking of doing a pullover version. So yeah, again, no fabric. This one I would not do in like a Ravens or a comic book print. I would do this in some kind of a more traditional sweatshirting material or French terry or something like that. My husband's not into the bright colors and bold prints that I am, so his would definitely be a little bit more tame than what I would do if I was making it for myself. Anyway, so I know you guys don't know my husband, so it probably makes it hard to vote, but I would like your input. I feel like I've been making a lot of decisions lately and I'm in a little bit of brain overload, so I welcome your input. The truth is, I think my husband would love any of these items. Yeah, so it's more about what you would like to see me make. So I would love to hear your thoughts. Jump in the comment box below. Tell me which of these patterns you would like to see me make. Do you have any recommendations for fabrics? Or even better, do you have a recommendation for a pattern that you've made for a male member of your family, whether it's a husband, a son, a father, a brother, uncle, whoever, that was a huge hit? I would love to know. So if you have something other than these 4 patterns that you would recommend, then I would love to hear about it. So that's really all I have for you today. This is a super short one. Wherever you are, I hope the weather is amazing and I hope you're able to get some sewing in. I really appreciate you joining me and I thank you, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.